Duit YouTube, null agus shunna ditch, conas don't know why I said null agus shunna ditch. It is kind of Christmas time, I suppose, but anyway. Couple of things. You might have noticed that I got my hair cut and I've had a shave. It was time for both. I needed to make myself feel slightly more human. That's why I haven't been vlogging the last couple of days. I've had man flu again, so I wasn't going to inflict it upon you too. So I spent the last week or so bundled up in bed watching YouTube and movies and things like that. So I'm kind of feeling better as long as I keep myself dosed with like paracetamol or cough syrup or whatever. So anyway, one soldier's on. I'm feeling slightly better, which is good. Today I've been trying to get myself out of the house for the last couple of days just to get some new fresh air. So I've been trooping down to the shops and things like that, but I cycled out to Tesco today and I had to get cat food, so I decided I'd get a few other bits and pieces, like some goodies and biscuits and things like that, just to nibble on, and A, to eat something, and B, to kind of just make myself feel a little bit better. So I did that. Bumped into two of my friends actually, who I haven't seen for a while. I used to be friends with them in secondary school, and since I started college I haven't seen them, so it's actually been a couple of years since I've actually kind of like, I might have passed them or something in the street, but like since I actually stopped and talked to them. So so it was nice to see them. I didn't recognise one of them. She said hi to me and I was like, "Who are you?" "Oh, hi. Sorry about that." Anyway, it was nice to see them. Tomorrow I'm not in work, thankfully. So I have plans. I don't know whether I made an announcement in one of my other vlogs, but my plan is to do the 12 pubs of Christmas for my birthday celebrations this year. So I need to go into town pretty much tomorrow. Is going to be my last opportunity to do it, really, and just pace out the route. We're doing 12 pubs, which starts the Stephen's Green and ends in the Porterhouse on Parliament Street in Dublin. So it's a nice short route. It's only about 1 kilometre, and the pubs are stone's throw from each other, and there's lots of places to eat as well, which is a good thing because I'm going to need to eat if I'm going to have at least 12 drinks, 12 alcoholic beverages. I don't know. We'll see how the night goes. But anyway, I need to go in and just kind of walk it and make sure all the pubs and things like that are fine. I want to get in touch with one or two of them and see about getting like a meal deal or something done, like a set menu or something maybe, because if there's going to be 20 plus of us descending upon them looking for food, I'm sure they're going to give us a discount if we ask. So that I shall do. Also, I need to get a Christmas jumper. Christmas jumpers are compulsory for my celebration tour, so I need to get a jumper, maybe some tinsel and baubles, and I don't know, I've given up trying to find, unless someone can tell me where I'm going to get one of those small little battery powered things of lights. I'm not going to get one for myself. It would look good, but I don't know where I get them or how I get them, so I'm not terribly pushed to go looking for them. So anyway, that's that. As I said, I'm starting a new job on Tuesday. My Garda vetting finally came through. Woohoo! It only took 9.5 weeks to do, which is actually pretty good, I think, for Garda vetting. It's kind of 6 to 8 weeks is your kind of standard time. So yeah, I'm going to be starting that on Tuesday, and other than I know I'm going to be doing youth work, and I'll probably be working more into the evenings now. I know very little, so I'll be meeting my coordinator and my boss and things like that on Tuesday, and we'll get that sorted, hopefully. Before I forget, because I probably will, might not, hopefully. On Monday night we're going to take the scouts to the circus as well. It should be good crack. I haven't been to a circus for a year or two, and it'd be good crack. It'd be nice just to get out and have kind of a Christmas celebration. This will be our second last meeting before we break for Christmas, so I think the last meeting we're going to have kind of a party type thing, and I wanted to make Christmas decorations, and the only thing I can really think of that we can do in 1 hour and a half is kind of pine cone baubles and bird feeders. So we'll probably try and do that if I can get hold of enough pine cones and things like that, and a couple of big things of peanut butter and some bird seed and stuff, and that'll be good crack. So that's about it. I've nothing new really else to say other than I am feeling slightly better, thankfully. I have to get Christmas clothes, something to go out in. I hope to get the family over for Christmas. We might have Christmas dinner or something, or we might go out for Christmas, because it's kind of hard. We're all on different ends of the city. We're all kind of on the edge of the city, but it's hard for us to get together. Or the county, sorry. So maybe I'll pull everyone into town and we'll go out for a meal maybe, and a couple of drinks, because it's nice to see the family. And we didn't really meet up last year. So, and one of my cousins is going to Australia. So yeah, it'd be nice to just pull everyone together, you know. Anyway, that's that. I saw a brilliant video on YouTube recently. One of my friends linked it in one of his vlogs, and basically, anyway, it's from one of Davey Wavy's channels. If you're not familiar with him, check him out. I'll put an annotation to it here. I'll put it there, and it's really cool. It's a really brilliant concept. I don't know whether it's his own idea or somebody said it to him or he got it from somebody else, but basically writing down your fears, and then but the way he does it is really interesting. Well, it's not interesting, it's more kind of voyeuristic, for the want of a better term. So yeah, I'll put that up there, check it out. If you like this vlog, or if you like that I'm kind of back or in good spirits, you can click the like button for that. You can, if you want to see more, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Céad Míle Fáilte. There's a subscribe button up there and a comment box down below. As I said, I kind of got stuff when I was in Tesco to make myself feel more human. And if you're following my Twitter, which there'll be a link for down below as well, I posted a couple of days ago 4 things that made me feel more human, and 2 of them were showering and shaving, because never underestimate the effect a good hot shower or a bath, that was the 3rd one, will have on you. So showering, bathing, shaving and ice cream. So if you've anything else you want to add to that list, anything that makes you feel particularly good when you're not well or in a good place, leave a comment below and let us know, because you know, knowing these things is only going to help everyone else feel that little bit better, so why not? Anyway, Garda agus, slán YouTube.